One of the first things you're going to need to do is open all the boxes. So many times our service and sales teams will get a call from a customer saying that part XYZ wasn't in the box, when in fact it really was in the box. So when we pack and ship the kits, many times the smaller components like the brackets or brake lines might be buried in the box under other packing materials. So we'd ask that before you call us, please check the boxes completely. Remove all the packing materials, because 99% of the time all the parts are in the box and match what is on the checklist. When unpacking your boxes, in the left-hand side box is where you're going to find the brake lines, any hardware, and Loctite. The right-hand box will not have an accessory box in it. Also, something to keep in mind is that brake pads on a competition kit will not be in the larger boxes. Brake pads are a very personal choice, and we don't know what the customer is going to order, so we can't keep those stocked in the main kit boxes. So brake pads and any other accessories you might order, like a pad tension kit or brake fluid, will be shipped in a small accessory box alongside the larger kit boxes. On the road brake kits, the brake pads will be in the large boxes because we include a set of DS2500 with every road kit. So you will find brake pads inside the larger boxes on a road kit.